Hello.
Hi.
Please leave a message after the tone.
Hey. I was just calling to let you know that I'm free now. So, I'll wait for you. Talk to you soon.
Hello. Please leave a
Didn't fall
message
for it this
after
time.
the tone.
Hey. I know I called earlier, but it's been about an hour, I think. I don't know if you're home yet or if you just don't want to talk to me, but I'll still wait. Talk to you later, alligator.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
Listen, I don't know if it's because of what I did yesterday that you haven't answered my calls or messages. I'm getting worried at this point. I just, I'm just sorry, okay? Just answer me, please.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
I'm sorry, okay? I don't know what else you want to fucking hear, but I'm just sorry. I shouldn't have. I didn't know that. I I understand that you don't want to talk to me about it, but I care. I really do. Just call me back. That's all I ask for.
Hello. Please leave a message after the tone.
You were right. I should have just let it go. You were always there for me when I needed you, and I thank you for that. Really. Thanks a lot. I'll stop calling you now, but please promise me this one last thing. Promise me that you'll keep being a good person. That you'll keep helping others. You're really good at that. Just promise me that you will keep being yourself. Promise? Thanks a lot for being in my life, Mia. I love you. I really do. Goodbye.